If you're experiencing account sync issues in Elden Ring, follow these steps to troubleshoot and recover your account. This guide will help you resolve common problems related to account synchronization. Step 1. Check server status. Before making any changes, verify if the game servers are online. You can check the official Elden Ring social media channels or websites for any maintenance announcements or outages. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Elden Ring completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary sync issues. Make sure to fully exit the game before relaunching. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher Steam, Epic Games, etc. to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them as needed. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can try resetting your router or switching to a wired connection for better stability. Step 5. Relink your account. If the issue persists, go to the game settings and unlink your account from any third-party services like Steam or PlayStation Network. Then, relink your account to refresh the sync process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the account sync issues in Elden Ring. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.